We guide you through how to transfer data from Android to iPhone in the easiest way possible. First thing you need to do is download the Move to iOS app from Google Play Store on your Android phone. Once installed, turn on your iPhone and start the setup process until you reach the apps and data screen. Then tap Move Data from Android. Open the Move to iOS app on your Android, agree to the terms, and enter the code shown on your iPhone. After that, both devices will connect wirelessly and choose what you want to transfer your contacts, messages, photos, videos, and even some app data. And make sure both devices stay close together and plugged in so the transfer doesn't get interrupted. The process may take several minutes depending on how much data you have. Once the transfer is done, finish setting up your iPhone and you'll see your Android files already organized and ready to use.